Hello everyone, today we will learn how to export the data from total station and how to import the data in AutoCAD. This we will learn in today's video. First, what we have to do, we have to remove the total station from the casing and we have to complete the leveling process. After completing the leveling process, we have to click on disable compensator except. Now go in the file option. After that, go in open job. Now click on the file in which we have done the work, that is SEB3. Now again go in files option, that is import and export fixed format files. Now in this we have to select the file format Trimble DC 10.7. The file name is SEB3. Now accept. Yes, overwriting. Yes. Now the transfer process is completed. Now the file is converted into CSV. Exit. Yes. Now again we have to fix the pen drive in the given port in the total station. Now go in my device option, select the Trimble data. In this we have to select the file which we have to transfer, that is SCB3 CSV. Copy, long press copy and go in hard disk where the pen drive is attached and paste in pen drive, that is in Rahul. I have selected the folder name Rahul. So this is SCB3 CSV file. The data is transferred in the pen drive. Now we have to remove the pen drive from the port and plug in the port which is available on the laptop. Now we have to open the pen drive, copy the data, that is SCB3 file, that is CSV file, and paste it in the laptop. Now open that file SCB3. Now you can see here serial number. I will rename it serial number for first column, east coordinate for second column, and north coordinate for third column, and last is reduce level. Now in last column I will delete this north direction, only second serial number was the north, and last point which 10 number point I have deleted, that was extra point. Now in this, in the last column, this is the instrument station for serial number 1, that is point number 1. Now I will replace, first I will place north coordinates and after that I will put the east coordinates for our convenience for importing. Now I have to give the formula, that is E is equal to B2 and double inverted comma double inverted and C2. After that enter. So now I will drag it up to 9 point. So these are the coordinates which I have to import in CAD. So I will copy it. After that I will start the CAD. Now paste it. I will select the polyline option, and after selecting the polyline I will paste it. After pasting I will enter C, that is close, enter. Now Z, enter, and A, enter. So you can see here the area, topographical area which we have considered is visible on the screen. Now for finding the coordinates of this particular point, so you can see here I have selected the coordinates option, and now you can see here this particular point I have selected, and the coordinates of this point is 1113. So I will go in this CSV file. You can see this is the third point. So I will find the north coordinate for this. So going in the coordinate option and clicking on that particular point. So you can see here the north coordinate is 955. So in CSV file, that is in Excel file, you can see here the north coordinate is 955. So you can see the yellow marking which I have highlighted. So this is the third point. Now I have to find out the area for this survey which I have done. Now we have to give the command, that is area command. Now select the points serially in clockwise manner. After selecting the points in clockwise manner, you will get the area of the respective survey which we have done. So you can see this is the last point. So area which is appeared is 3829. So what we have learned in today's video, that is how to export the data from total station and how to import the data in AutoCAD. This we have learned in today's video. In next video we will learn the ribbon hammer test. Thank you.